Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's podcast, we are going to talk about a New Year preparation. So, if you are interested, let's get started. As the year comes to an end, a lot of us start thinking about fresh starts, new goals, and becoming a better version of ourselves. But before we rush into the new year, it's really important to prepare for it mentally, physically, emotionally. So, in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I prepare for the new year in the most realistic way possible. So, let's get into it. So, the first step is reflecting in this year. The first thing I always do is reflecting on the year ending. I ask myself questions like this: what did I learn this year? What am I proud of? What challenged me? And what is my achievement for this year? So, reflects help you understand your growth. Even if your year was difficult, there were lessons that made you stronger. The second step is reset your space. Your environment affects your mindset more than you think. Cleaning and organizing my space makes me feel lighter and more motivated. So, the first thing you need to clean is digital cleaning, which means deleting out the old picture and deleting the old files and everything that doesn't serve you. The second cleaning is the physical cleaning, which means you should clean your room, your desk, where you study, and where you live. If it is your home, and also to get rid of the old clothes and also the old things that you don't use. But remember, you don't need to do a deep cleaning all at once. Just start small. A clean space helps create a clear mind. Third steps is set intentions, not just goals. So you should always put an intention before you start. Instead of focusing only on goals, I like to set intention. Goals are what you want to achieve, but intentions are how you want to feel. For example, I want to feel peaceful. I want to feel confident. The fourth step is to set a clear goal for yourself, a clear vision you want to achieve this year, and to write goals on categories. For example, what is your financial goals? And what is your, do you want to get a master degree? And like this, you can be more specific in your goals and to have a clear vision about what you want to have and what you want to achieve. The fifth step is to create a vision board. It is a really fun thing to do, but it takes some time to do it. So please take your time to create a very good vision board, not just some random picture from Pinterest and to put them with Canva and you say that's your vision board. No, take your time and create a vision board that represents you, represent what you want to achieve. If you want to create a vision board, the first thing you want to do is to write down the goals. And for every goal, go to Pinterest and search a picture that represents that goal. And like this, the vision board gonna be really effective and it's gonna work. As we step to the new year, I hope you remember that growth does not have to be rushed. You are allowed to move at your own pace. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.